How to hide profile display on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you hide profile display on your Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner, and now from here you'll have to tap on this option edit profile, so simply tap on it. Okay, so from this section you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like profile display, so simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here you can choose what information is displayed on your profile, so you can also change this at any time. So from here you can turn on or turn off this feature. So in this way you can hide your profile display on Instagram, so you have to turn off this from here. Alright, so this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.